up to the rip and they got real slow and they went down it and then went. So terrible. What are you doing right now?
I'm gonna shred the fuck out of this track with the 400.
You're gonna do a climb again.
I'll probably do a climb too. Gotta get some footy real quick. Got to go ham for a minute. This is gonna get a good view of this. I could probably even go down a bit.
Pressure you.
There was someone in a side-by-side way out there when I was
Wait.
Two strokes.
there. Somebody's ripping.
Uh-oh. That's another homer I could like joke with.
If he's shredding.
Yeah, if he's shredded. Oh, there he is! He's on the sand, go catch him.
Where is he?
Right in the middle of the sand. I see him now, I saw his helmet.
Oh shit. Yeah. Where is he?
He's right.
Is he passing us or no? What? He took off which way?
Red cliff.
What up, dude? Good, how are you? What? Who else is out here? Is this one of your buddies?
Yeah. His name's Ryder.
He's what?
His name's Ryder.
His name is Ryder?
Yeah.
That's pretty epic.
Yeah, Ryan.
Nice to meet you, I'm Adam. Is he part on, is he doing AZOP?
I think he races in GPC. Similar series. Similar. Yeah, he's just practicing for that our other dirt bike school.
What's he on? 300?
From a 125 to a 300.
That's one of the best bikes ever made. You guys come out here pretty often?
Yeah, as much as we can. Yeah. You?
Yeah, dude.
Are you on this side of town?
I live like right near here.
Nice. Yeah, me as well.
Really?
Yeah, right out here.
So you know the hill climb, you know the split hill climb right here?
Yep.
And then you know the one next to it off the trail? And then it goes through, you know, the brushes up there, whatever. And that goes into BLM land? How are there crazy hill climbs out there?
Nothing too bad.
Are they bigger than these?
No, that was one of the bigger ones.
Really? Huh.
Nothing too crazy out here.
Right on. Well.
Nothing too crazy. But yeah.
Right on. Well, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Nice to see you out here, man.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, we come out here, I bet a couple times a week.
Well, whose land is this?
This is all state or BLM land.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
I never see anyone out here, so.
Yeah, just some UTVs go by every now and then. I think we're either, I'd have to look, we're either on state or BLM right now.
Yeah.
That's what it felt like coming over here, but I don't know. Might just give you a hair more free play.
All right, well.
Yeah, enjoy your day, man.
Yep.
Get some airflow.
Oh, yeah. Always do, man. I gotta stay hydrated.
Yeah, for sure. I know we're both almost out of water. We'll be heading home here soon.
They need to put a well out here.
Yeah. Let's roll one in right over here.
Does this place ever flood?
Yeah, oh yeah.
There'll be water all the way across it?
Yeah, all the way up into the... we're actually reburned into the sand track because the water flowed out our quarters.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all the way up.
I remember a little course right here.
Yeah.
I saw
Last flood, it washed the whole course away.
so it gets deep.
Yeah, it gets real deep.
Really?
Oh, yeah. One day we were out here, there was a truck like buried to its windows. Felt bad almost.
Well, the monsoons come quick, you know?
Yeah, they come in quick.
Yeah.
They come in real quick.
All right, nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, they
I'll try not to spray you. They're just some, just like a kid.
I thought you were gonna do some crazy shit right here. I thought you were gonna come up real quick.
What?
I thought you were gonna like ramp up real quick right here.
Oh, no. I'm gonna do some laps though now.
That's what I heard too. I heard the size of the bike and I was like, probably. Yeah, we were like, it's small.
He was on a 300. Really? 2-stroke.
300?
Both of them were. Husqvarna. Oh man. What? I fell down. Oh man, I'm weak on energy. God damn, that one's hard to hit. dude, I'm fucking low on endurance.
How do you like that? A little different on the 400?
Way better. Suspension is just light years ahead. The power delivery is quicker. This bike's nice because it only has like, the way it's carbureted, it's on or it's fucking off. I mean, some of the hill climb on the low end, it'll keep it, but like, I don't know. You gotta lay on the throttle.